Hi everyone, I'm Sajith from Panimala Engineering College. So in this video, I'll be showing you the demonstration of our project. The title of our project goes by the name Vehicle Accident Detection System. So I'll be just taking you through our main directory, which consists of a number of folders and files that are required for our project to work. So the first two direct folders are concerned with PyCharm, which we have used for this project. So let's just leave it aside. And the data, and next comes the data and the data collection folder. So currently these folders would be empty, and I would be saying you why these folders are essential for our project. So data is empty, the data folder is empty, and the data collection folder would also be empty, as you could see from here. So next comes the models folder. So this consists of a pre-trained model, and as you could see here, it consists of an H5 file and a JSON file. So this is required for our project to analyze the video and predict whether an accident has occurred or not. So next comes the static and the templates folder. So these two folders are mainly concerned with the development of Flask web app. So static folder mainly consists of the front end frameworks such as Bootstrap and JavaScript, and templates folder mainly consists of the HTML files, and here you could see home.html and video.html is present, and I'll be showing you the prototype of our web app at the end of this video. Okay. So next is the VNV. It's nothing but a virtual environment. Even it is concerned with the PyCharm compiler. It is mainly used to download and import the necessary packages that are required for our model. And the bits folder consists of 3 to 4 videos that I have gathered to show the working of our project. Okay, it consists of 3 to 4 accident videos. And accident underscore info is nothing but an Excel file. So it consists of 3 columns like date, time of accident, as you could see here, and the location as well. So once the accident has occurred, it would automatically save the date and the time of the accident, and the location, like a Google Maps link, would be automatically saved to the Excel file. Just show you the result of this Excel file while the model has started working. So next comes the Jupyter source file, and this is where we used our data set, our own data set and data set which we imported from Kaggle to train our model. Okay, so that is a file which was used to train our model. And next comes all the necessary files that are required for our model to work, and all these files are interconnected with each other. An error in even one of these files could cause the entire model to fail. So we must make sure that all the necessary functions are imported properly. Okay, so I just opened PyCharm here, and as you could see, the data collection, the camera part, the detection, accident underscore enforce, literally the same that I just shown you before, and location file, and add underscore CSV is something is a code that is used to automatically add uh, the necessary data to this file. Okay, and with underscore attachment is nothing but an automating a mail to a concerned authorities. So this is a Flask web app which I'll be showing you at the end of this video. So let's just get to the data collection part. So how did we collect our own data? So let's just say that I've just given a video and video as an input. So when I just click on start button, you could see that the video would be splitted into frames and it would be saved to the data collection folder. So as I have shown you before, the data collection folder was empty, right? It's empty. So now let me just go here and just click on run, and as you could see, the code just started working. And these are the number, and I just stopped it in the middle since I already did this. I just wanted to show you a demo of how this code works. Okay, so these are the number of frames that it split. So now when I just go back to the data collection folder, you could see that the given video as an input has been split into a number of frames. Okay, so uh, eliminating such duplicate frames, and we just took only the necessary frames that are required for our data set to train our model efficiently. So that is how we work with data and the collection of data as well. So let me just go back. So that is all about the data collection part. So now let me just go to the main folder. So this folder consists of, as you could see here, it consists of a method called start application. So this method is connected here. As you could see here, there's a function called start application. And as I also said before, each and every files is being interconnected with each other. So now let me just go to main.py and just start our model. Okay, I haven't added a voice assistive system. So when the model predicts that an accident has occurred, it starts giving you voice instructions about the steps that it is going to do afterwards. So once the accident has occurred in this video, I'll just stop talking and you could hear how the assistive voice assistive system works. So it must work now. And
Accident occurred. Storing the particular frame where accident occurred to local storage. Successfully saved the JPG file to the data directory. Sending mail to the nearby hospital. Successfully sent. Kindly analyze the shared mail. Press Y if accident has occurred. Else press N.
so the voice assistive system just ends there. I think you might have understood whatever the computer has told. Even if it's not, that's not a problem. I would just explain it again. So what just happened now? Okay, now let me just go back to our main directory. So as I've just said before, the data folder was also empty, right? Now let me just go inside that. And you could see that a particular frame from the video that was just played now has been saved here. So what is this frame actually? So this frame is nothing but when the probability of accident reaches 100%, the model recognizes that this is the frame where it shows that the probability reaches 100. So it just extracts this particular frame from that video and saves it inside this folder. So why is this saving? It is then this particular file is then sent as a mail to the concerned authorities. So let me just go and check my mail now. And as you could see here, I just let me just refresh it, and you could see here that a mail has been sent like 0 minutes ago, and it consists of a subject. It consists of a subject, a time of the accident, a location, and clicking on this will just take you to the Gmap link, and you could see that the particular frame that has been saved in the data folder has been shared to you in the mail. So it's like a third party inference where a third party concerned authority could suggest whether the severity of the accident is high or not. Okay, now if I just go to PyCharm and look at my screen, you could see here that press Y if accident has occurred. So this means that if the severity, if you could analyze from this given frame and decide whether the severity of the accident is high, you could send help immediately. Now let me just go here, and when I just press Y,
The shared clip has been analyzed thoroughly. Accident has occurred. Sending help immediately to the shared location.
okay, so that was all about this project, right? And that is where the voice visitor system and this project ends. And as I said before, the data that has been shared through mail would be also even stored in this CSV file. As you could see here, the date, the time, and the location is stored. So let me just open it in an Excel file, and could see that it consists of the date, the time, and the link for the location of the accident. So that is where all the necessary data are stored, and so that was all about this project. Okay, now let me just show you the prototype of my web app that I just created. So now let's just go back to app, and let me just run it. And yeah, and this would just open in my local host. Since I have not hosted it in a cloud server, I'll just show you in my local host server. And when I just click it, you could see here, so this is the front end that, so this just came from the static and the templates folder that I've just shown you earlier, like let me just go back now. And static and the template folders are concerned with how this front end looks. So now when I just click here, video an accident, a video would be played, and it would be analyzed whether an accident has occurred or not. Okay, now let me just go and click here, and as you could see, a video has started playing, which is different from the previous one. So since this is a prototype of a web app, I'm not. This would just save the frame, and it would not send any email or such things. Okay. So as you could see there, the accident has occurred, and
Accident occurred.
so you might be wondering why it took such a long time to predict that an accident has occurred. So this video that I just played now is not from a CCTV angle perspective. So this is something like a first-person camera video which has been shot from another car. So such type of data weren't trained, and we did not collect such type of data to train our model, even though our model detects that an accident has occurred in this particular frame. So so it just shows the accuracy of our model. So this video, so this app video was just a demonstration to show our accuracy. Now let me just go and close everything, and it just returns to my home screen. So that is all about our project, and thank you for your time.